Want a pro resume that stands out? In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to make a LaTeX resume in Overleaf fast. Like and subscribe for more tech tips, and let's get hired in 2025. Open your browser and go to overleaf.com. Log in or sign up if you haven't. Click New Project, then CV and Resume from the template gallery. Pick a clean one, hit Create. You're set. Let's customize this resume to shine. Here's your resume template in Overleaf's editor. Find the name command and type your name, like 1 minute IT shot. Update contact info, email, phone, LinkedIn. Then edit education and experience. Add your degree or job. Keep it concise, and you're almost done. Click Recompile at the top. Boom, there's your polished resume. Check the PDF for your name, education, and experience, all perfectly formatted. Hit Download PDF to save it. If you see errors, check for typos or missing brackets. Your job-ready resume is good to go. That's it. Your LaTeX resume is ready in Overleaf for 2025. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more LaTeX hacks. Tell me in the comments, are you job hunting or building a CV? Stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.